Are you looking for the best random orbital sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best random orbital sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Bosch ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander. Sanding can be a tedious task and can often cause pain and fatigue in arms and neck. However, the Bosch ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander is a relief to work with, thanks to the minimum vibration it produces while operating. Bosch Palm Sander is capable of running at 7,500 to 12,000 OPM and provides a great finish to sanded surfaces. It has a variable speed dial placed conveniently near the palm so that you can easily change its speed while operating. Also, the ergonomic handle is large enough to handle a two-handed grip for high-pressure sanding activity. The sander has a hook and loop disc attachment like Velcro to connect the sandpaper. This enables easy replacement of sandpapers of different grits. Equipped with a 2.5 amp motor, the sander has a pad dampening system to eliminate swirl marks. The sanded debris is collected via a dust collection system that uses microfiltration technologies. Particles, as small as half micron, are also captured through this system, which are collected easily into a compact canister. However, the microfiltration unit is very delicate and requires constant cleaning. Apart from this, the Random Orbital Sander is one of the most effective tools in the market. Up next in the fourth place is the DEWALT Random Orbit Sander. The 5 DEWALT DWE6423K Random Orbital Sander has a 3 amp motor and can perform polishing and finishing tasks with ease. The motor also has an air vent for good air circulation to prevent overheating. The 3 amp motor is capable of producing speeds between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM. With the variable speed control, you can adapt to different finishing jobs on the fly. Such flexibility makes this machine a versatile one to sand away materials of different densities easily. The DEWALT DWE6423K has a very ergonomic grip for comfortable holding position. In addition, it has low vibrations as the unit is engineered to dampen the majority of the vibrations. A thin rubber layer, included between the motor and the 5 hook and loop sanding pad, reduces the vibrations effectively. This, in turn, works hand in hand with the ergonomically shaped grip for long working hours. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, the DEWALT DWE6423K falls in the medium range category. It is neither the lightest nor the heaviest, but it does an excellent finishing job. In addition, the equipment is fairly maneuverable and has an excellent weight to performance ratio. The only downside with this particular sander seems to be the dust collector system that needs adapters for connecting to a vacuum machine. For a medium-range orbital sander, this machine proves to be an excellent one as compared to others in the market. The third product on our list is the Bosch Electric Orbital Sander. The GET756N from Bosch Power Tools has a 6-disc sander and is available in 2 different modes of operation. Equipped with an aggressive turbo mode along with the random orbit mode, the Bosch Power Tool stands out as a multi-purpose sander in the market. The turbo mode removes stock at a high rate from hard surfaces with ease. The sander has an ergonomic slim handle for firm grip and superior comfort. The auxiliary handle has 2 positions for greater control. The unit also features a removal pad guard to prevent the sanding pad from scratching unwanted surfaces. The Bosch GET756N has a powerful 7.5 amp variable speed motor and can reach up to 33.0 to 73.0 OPM. However, with such a system, the rate of stock removed is quite high, and the passive dust collecting system on the Bosch does a relatively poor job. The system needs to be connected to a vacuum cleaner with special hoses, which needs to be purchased separately. The entire package comes with a sanding disc, soft backing pad, hex pad wrench, removable front handle, vacuum hose adapters, and the GET756N unit. In a nutshell, the Bosch Orbital Sander is a powerful tool meant for professional work. Second on our list is the Makita Random Orbit Sander. The Makita's 5B05041 Random Orbital Sander is a machine suited for both professional works as well as DIY projects. Fitted with a high-speed 3-amp motor and an ergonomic design, the Random Orbital Sander offers good performance and comfort during sanding operations. The Makita B05041 has a front handle that offers better control during sanding work. The handle can be rotated around the housing to adjust with the direction, and the speed dial can also place adjacent to it. Such positioning ensures speed changes while working and also offers a lock button and trigger switch for continuous operation mode. Though the system has a good dust collection system, the unit needs a bigger one for the stock removed from the surface. Compared to the amount of debris removed, the dust bag seems smaller and needs an external vacuum provision to remove all stock effectively. In a concluding note, the Makita BO5041 sander does not disappoint, meant for all heavy-duty works. This unit performs at an incredible pace and finishes jobs rather quickly. If you want to sand hardwood floor, this unit is a good choice. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT 20V Max Brushless Orbital Sander. Out of the handful random orbital sanders in the market, very few can match the DEWALT DCW210B. The DEWALT is a cordless sander, weighing only 1.9 pounds, without any battery, and features a brushless motor. The power tool runs on a powerful 20V battery line and can achieve speeds between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM. You can buy a 5Ah lithium-ion battery and charger separately. Equipped with a 5 inches sanding surface, the power tool features an 8-hole hook and loop replaceable sanding pad. Also, the device has a 7-speed variable control for speed adjustment to suit the material at hand. The dust bag has a one-handed mechanism for secure attachment and can be replaced with regular vacuum connections for cleaning debris. However, the 1-1 divided by 4 connector is sold separately and incurs additional costs. The rubber grip provides good comfort, and the low-profile design allows better precision for different surfaces. The only concern that this machine faces is the limited battery power and constant battery replacement during long working hours. Other than this, the DEWALT Random Orbital Sander is, undoubtedly, one of the best sanders in the market. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.